Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Okay, so we're at the bowling alley, and of course Miss Robin forgets to use her phone. So we just received our food. We were about to play Uno, but we got our food really fast, didn't we? So what are you eating?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me, please, what you ordered? Say that again.
Bowling alley.
What is this?
Chicken wings.
What kind? What flavor?
Barbecue grilled chicken wings.
Yep, you got the honey barbecued. And what kind of sauce do you like?
Honey barbecue.
What is this?
Combo.
That's ranch.
That's ranch.
And of course, you like your fries. You put your ketchup on top because Miss Robin did it? I didn't know you liked it like that. I thought you liked to dip them. You gonna try something new today?
Yes.
Okay. How do they smell?
Mm.
How do they smell?
It smells good.
It smells good. Okay, you can start eating. Thank you. Is it hot? Okay. Letting them cool down. Yeah, they're a little bit warm.
Let me cool down.
Miss Robin will help you. Here. We're both cooling them down. Okay, taste one. I'll taste one first. CB. It's just warm. It's not hot at all. Take a little bite. Is it hot? Is it hot?
No.
Yes?
No, not hot.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
All right. Well, you're going to go ahead and eat your fries, and then you'll start working on your chicken. What did you get to drink?
Sprite.
Medium Sprite. That's your fave. All right. Still working on them. He actually got more than usual because they come by the pound. So I think he got 9. Sometimes he gets 7. This is a lot. I'm sure he'll finish it. Sure you'll finish it, right, CB?
Yes.
How do they taste?
It's great.
Great. Okay, what were you saying, CB?
And taking home.
You're gonna take that home? Would you like a box for those 2 pieces of those
Chicken
2 wings?
Yes.
Okay. And your celery?
Celery, yes.
Okay. I'm gonna get a box. Do you want to go up there and ask for a to-go box?
To-go box.
He stopped eating. So.
Excuse me, ma'am. Take those bags or boxes. Yes.
Stay right here, right?
Take me home.
It's a small one. Is that the small? What do you say?
Thank you.
Good job, CB. Push it down all the way so it's not open. Push it flat. Put your hand on it flat. There you go. Okay. Close the box. You have it in the right place, CB. You had it in the right place. It was in the right place. That's the right place. Let's see if they'll ask for help. Got it? Okay. All right, let's get ready to go. You ready to go?
I'm ready, yes.
What about all this stuff on the table? Thank you. Thank you. Oops, trying to put my stuff away. I'm going to put my bowl away. Thank you, Sydney. All right, I think we're ready now. Do you want to push your chairs in? And then we'll leave. All right, let me get my backpack. Thank you. It's your turn, CB. Hold on. I want to see that big smile right there. There you go. Woohoo! Good job. Almost, CB, so close. Woohoo! Good job, CB. CB is orange. It is 99. It's going very, very good. Very focused. Oh, almost. Nice try. CB. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, ladies.
You too. We are leaving the bowling alley. Do you remember where we parked? What did you say?
No cars, left or right.
Look left. Look left.
Right.
You have to turn your head. Look right.
Good.
Look
cars.
left. You see any cars coming?
No cars.
Safe to cross. Thank you.
Cross. There's an airplane.
There is an airplane right above us.
Up in the sky.
Well, you know the Georgetown Airport is very close to us. It's just over there across the street. All right, let's get in the car. Okay, so what are we going to do next Wednesday?
Go to YMCA training.
We're going to go to the pool at the YMCA?
To YMCA.
Okay, well,
Okay.
make sure you have your swim bag and everything ready, okay?
Get ready, okay?
Okay?
All right.
All right, thank you.